What is up, fabulous people? Ludo here, back with another amazing video, and today's video is quite unlike what we normally do. We are playing with some gear and tech today. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ludo. If you are new here, normally we do Pokemon Go vlogs, PvP, that kind of stuff. If that's your fancy, definitely be sure to subscribe. And if you are into that tech kind of stuff, as we do grow with Twitch and YouTube, as I do grow with my own tech, we are definitely going to be doing those as well. So if that's your fancy as well, be sure to scroll down, click that like, and subscribe. Today I'm testing, I'm not really testing, I'm just kind of comparing my old headset with a brand new headset that we got. This is the MONIMUKA RK something headset, and then this is the Razer series, or the Razer Seiren Mini. So, just ordered that offline after watching my own plenty of reviews on YouTube and whatnot, and decided to go with that one. We've been using this one for about a year now. It's great. It was provided to me. I love the colors, I really do, and it lights up and whatnot. So we're probably still going to have to be wearing it because I have to be able to hear stuff, but mic purposes are probably going to most likely be switching to this little guy that we're going to be testing today. So I'm going to do like a series of different kind of things. I honestly don't know if I would ever use it just to record a video like this, because this doesn't have mic plug-in, and I don't really like doing the sync audio stuff. Maybe if I get better at that. I am going to do that for this video where we try to test and sync the audio and whatnot. But anyways, blah blah blah. I'm gonna play video games, I'm gonna say some sentences and such and things, words and wow. Much better than that, I will say these things. We're just gonna kind of compare and test the two and see how good of a purchase we made. Let's get into it. Silly Sally sat in amazement as she continued to flick pickles at the cherry tree during sunset. Silly Sally sat in amazement as she continued to flick pickles at the cherry tree during sunset. Silly Sally sat in amazement as she continued to flick pickles at the cherry tree during sunset. Goes red. Once again, and one day with a better mic, Silly Sally will sit in amazement as she continues to flick pickles at the cherry tree during sunset. Once again, and one day with a better camera, Silly Sally will sit in amazement as she continues to flick pickles at the cherry tree during sunset. Silly Sally will sit in amazement as she continues to flick pickles at the cherry tree during sunset. Mouse clicks. I mean, that's good, but that's also like a little annoying. And from what I listened to earlier, it seems I need to add compressions. I don't know if that sounds better now. Fucking around with compression. Turning up compression. How is that? Does that sound better? Better, 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 better. 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 Oh, motherfucker. Ha! Ha! Oh. Shit. I mean, realistically, if I was playing... Ooh, hi. That was bad aiming. Oh my god. One, if I was realistically doing this and playing like this, I wouldn't be holding this mic. There's no way to attach it to my head, obviously. Headsets, that's... Okay. That's the benefit of headsets, you know. Oh wow, that was horrid as well. Pretty bad. So we might have to end up figuring out how to get a, well, not figuring out how to get, we just may have to go and buy a, what do you call those? Little, like, attachable mic stands. That way I can just attach it to the desk and be like one of those professional podcast host streamer peoples. Oh, there's a dude over here. Oh, yep. Oh! Okay. Die. Hi. Die. Yep. Thank you. Ow. Where dost thou shoot me from? From beyond the remnants.
The hunt has ended.
And I mean, I guess if realistically, if I was like,
Crush them.
if I did have it close to my mouth mic-wise, it would be more like this. I wouldn't be crouched down. But hey, victory already. What do you know, mofo? Wow. We only got 4 kills. Is this a, okay, is the war mic? Can you even see me? Definitely couldn't bounce my leg like I normally do. That would pick up so fast. So, once again, like, you know, crouch down game playing. Horrible for my back, but, you know, we're doing it for the sake of testing. So much going on. And you are dead, though. I get a gamer's face. Don't laugh at me. Crash Simmons. Okay, so some of the names in this game are pretty great and fantastic, and then some of them are really childish and inappropriate. That was horrible. And then, like, what would it be like if I was, like, you know, I don't know, a full foot distance? It seems like it's about a full foot away. Both of you did double teaming me. Oh. We have a fucker down in here. Ow! Well, he died anyway, so. Whoa! I see you trying to escape. I see you right there, person. Trying to just even. Hey, what the? Hey! Oh. This is why I couldn't do Fortnite. It's I mean, this enough. Some fucker up here. Why do fuckers like to hide right here? Why do they think it's so cool? And the computer's running pretty hot. Like the fans on it are going right now. I wonder how much that picks up, or if it really even picks up at all. You really didn't expect anyone to come from behind you? I think that's homophobic. Oh, we knocked each other out. It's hot. Oh, hi, guy. There. You know. How do coughs sound? Nice try, but no cigar, bro. That was Glenn Close, but no cigar. Still. Oh my god, what was that trash? Oh. Some trash. Okay. So now we got the headphone on.
But don't let up. They won't.
Oh, why? Wrong gun. What is wrong with me? Fudge sickles are usually really delicious. Wow. Ooh. Ah! Ah! What even was that? And what is this music?
The flames are lit, and you are the prey.
Ooh, not on the other side. Shit, fucking. Coming out of nowhere, just like every side. Pooping on my face!
The flames have gone cold.
The flames have gone cold. And done. And still want to try and kill him. Okay.
Iron Banner.
Will they? That sounds super exciting. I mean, I did. I listened to quite a few of the, oh my god, how's my hair? Anyways, I did. I listened to a few of the comparisons. I feel like in some ways the headset is just a little bit better. I don't know. I'm going to, obviously, I just unboxed this. I just barely played with some compression settings and whatnot, so I'm definitely gonna continue to look into, and I need to watch a few videos myself on like the perfect settings and whatnot, because I haven't really looked into that, because all I've ever had is a headset mic, and you can't really do so much with that besides compression. This actually has some capabilities and options for it when it comes to trying to optimize the volumes and whatnot on it. So I'm gonna play with those a bit, but that's about that. I am super excited. Like I said, we're gonna be having a camera coming soon. We got the new mic. I have a new gaming controller coming, so that way it Bluetooths instead of cords and doesn't disconnect all the time. We've bought new games. A whole bunch of new stuff is coming to the channel, and I'm just trying to up the game a little bit there. So definitely gonna be looking into how to improve the mic quality and camera quality. Need to go through settings and whatnot, but I am super happy with the purchase. It's super freaking cute. It's super lightweight. Can't wait to get like a desk stand thing for it, so that way I can just totally get into it and look the part. With that being said, let me know down in the comments if you could hear a distinct difference. I know there's a distinct difference, so I know you could hear it. Let me know which one you like more. I kind of felt like this one, maybe we need to get some more, you know, like pads and whatnot. But I feel like this one had way more of a room echo-y feel rather than that one. But again, that could be because I just don't know how to do the settings yet. This is a very easy plug and play, and for plug and play, fantastic. If this helped you, if you were looking for a new mic yourself, out of the 5 we compared it to, I mean, come on, you gotta take my word. Leave comments down below. Let me know if you could tell the difference, if you liked the difference. While you're down there, as always, give this video a like. Maybe consider subscribing if you're not, and if you are subscribed, be sure to hit the notification button next to the subscription button so that way you're notified of the next video. We'll see you then. Stay fabulous. Bye!